Hey guys, we're going to check your trap over here, and I was going to show you, and we're supposed to get some bunch of ice and stuff tonight, and there's already ice all over the trees, tops of the trees, and I'll see if I can zoom in here in a second to see if y'all can see it. It's pretty, but I hate ice, I tell you. It sucks. Usually it's not good, but I'm sure you all know that. You see that ice there? That's some ice now. There's a little fog around, so but sure y'all can see that. Well, we do have one. This one's cool looking one. It's got a lot of white on its face and stuff. It's a light colored one. It's very cool looking. I ain't never seen one that white before. Yeah. Mad. It may be an old one. I don't know. It's cool looking though. Look how wide it is. Its tail and everything. Boy, you mad, ain't you? Yeah. I may yeah. You'll make a beautiful hide. Look how pretty that is. That coon is. That's a pretty coon now. It is. Real pretty. It's a big one too. Well, he ain't real fat, but he's real tall and slender. But I think that makes like 7. So, but well, I'll catch him in a little bit. I'm gonna take care of it and check the other trap, see if we got anything. Maybe we got another one. So I'll catch you later. This is pretty good. 2 out of 2 coons, or traps. Got 2 traps out, 2 coons. This makes like 8, 7 or 8, something like that. Pretty good sized coon. Yeah, he's been ticked off, it looks like. Well, oh yeah, good sizing, ain't you, buddy? Yeah, real good. See how that one looks compared to the other one? The other one had a lot of white on it. I mean, it's cool looking, that one. This is just regular looking one. Must be. That other one, it was I checked it, it was a sow. So, she was awful mean, sow. Usually them boars are the ones that acts crazy like that, but she was mean, boy. Now this one's a good size old coon now. Good size coon. But this is a good, them 2 spots I picked out, it's pretty good trapping spots, it seems like. I mean, it's been, well, there's a lot of coons too, so I mean, they've been consistently catching coons, so that's great. Great. But I'll kind of show you how to, set this trap here in a second. Let you see how it works, kind of in a way. And sometime if you want me to, maybe when I catch one, skin one out and eat it or something, make a video by eating it or something, or trying it out, or if you would like to see a video like that, just comment, and feel free to comment and let me know. I don't care. I've tried it. It's not bad, it really ain't. But my granny cooked one It was our first, me and Dad's our first kill. I was like 9 years old when we first started coon hunting and with dogs and stuff. And we'd killed 2 that night. And Granny, she made it for us, and we went over there and ate it. And I think she like I know she baked it. I know that, but I mean it was good. It really was. But I mean, if you would like to see that or something like that, just feel free to leave a comment and let me know. And I'm gonna check the coyote trap here in a minute and see how it looks, and if we've got one, I'll show it to you. But if not, I'll let you know. But I'll see you in a minute. Hey guys, I'll let this vehicle pass. Okay. Well, guys, this is how these dog-proof traps work. You got your little lever, I don't know what it's called exactly, this up here, but this is your trigger, and it goes down in there. I don't know if you can see it or not. See it moving down there. But anyways, see, when you compress a spring, it goes in like that. And what you're going to do is, when you squeeze this in, you're going to take this dog and push it like this. I think it's called a dog. I may be totally wrong, but you'll put this in this little slot right here, and you just push this and put that in that little slot right there, just like that, and she is cocked, set, and ready. So all you gotta do is put a little feed in there and just wait on a coon. So but I heard you can catch skunks and coyotes, or not coyotes, skunks and possums too on these. I ain't caught a possum or a skunk yet. I don't mind to catch a possum. I really don't want to catch a skunk if I can help it. Them things, usually when you kill them, they stink. Gosh, they stink for days. They spray, and it's just, it's nasty. It's not great, but that's how you set it, and it's triggered, and it's ready to go. Once they start putting their paws in there, trying to eat and get the food out, you know, it'll trigger and catch them. So I hope that, I mean, I got these at Rural King for $14.99 a piece or whatever. I mean, you got, you know, plus tax, but these things have really, I like these things. They do very well. I used to catch them with live traps, but most of the time when I'd catch one with a live trap, they just, you know, I could reset it and wouldn't catch one for sometimes never again in that spot. But this, and I've just been, you know, here, just move it off to the side and rebait it, and a couple days later there'll be a coon in it usually. But I mean, you haven't seen how many I've caught so far. But and it is February the 14th. It's Valentine's Day, so I'm gonna hurry up and get these traps set back and checked and get back to the house before Kelly gets upset. But no, she don't care. She knows I've got to check them. But our kitchen's in a bit. I'm gonna go check the coyote trap and see what it looks like. Maybe we got something there. If not, I'll let you know. But our kitchen's here in a little bit. Hey guys, well, we got both of them coons there, and maybe I re-baited them all and the trap, so maybe we'll catch some more. That's really going to help on the turkey population, especially this spring when they have their nest and getting ready to set, and you know, have their littlings there. And I'm back at the house now, so I'm going to I started a little far there, burning a little bit of brush that was over here. But no, we're supposed to get a lot of ice and snow here where I'm at in Tennessee. So there's a lot of people preparing for the worst, of course. You know, getting a lot of gas and filling up their generators and stuff like that. So maybe it won't get too bad. So, but back during that ice storm over here, anyways, which we wasn't living over here yet, and in this area of Tennessee, they was out of power here in this area right here for 2 weeks. Crazy, but they maybe it won't be too bad. So, but just gonna see what happens. You never know. But well, like I said, you know, didn't have anything on the coyote trap, of course, but but if you all would like to see me make a video on skinning coon out and eating it, and you know, like a catch, clean, cook type thing, just leave a comment, and feel free to just leave a comment. If you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe, and you have a good one. I'll catch you later.